rising, the flames are near, voices shouting, bow to fear. But I will not bend, I will not bow. The fire is burning, but I stand now. Faith under fire, still I remain. Faith under fire, through every flame. They said the furnace would end my song, but they don't know who makes me strong. When pressure tightens and hope seems thin, there's a fourth man walking within. In the furnace, I'm not alone. In the fire, he stands as my own. Faith under fire does not retreat. Faith under fire will not be defeated. Chains are melting, smoke fills the air, but grace is stronger than despair. What was meant to consume my name becomes the place that reveals his flame. No crown of fear, no voice of threat can shake the promise he hasn't broken yet. If he rescues, he is God. If he waits, he is still God. Faith under fire, trusting still. Faith under fire, yielded will. Through the burning, through the test, the furnace proves what stands the rest. And when I walk out of the flame, not even smoke will mark my name. Faith under fire, refined, not torn. From the furnace, new strength is born.